Lately I've been having a problem where I have some ringing in my ears. It's happening every 2 weeks or so. So I've been kind of concerned what's happening there, and I'm wondering, should I get my hearing tested?
Well, we sent Kim to audiologist Dr. Shalev at the Ear Group to check out what might be going on with her hearing.
With Kim, she's noticed that she may have some possible loss of hearing, and so we're going to test her today to see if there's anything we can find that is going on in the ear. Is there any exposure to noise that you are around on a normal basis?
I'm a piano teacher, so I hear a lot of piano, and I'm also in a band, so I'm exposed to quite a bit of noise that way.
Do you wear hearing protection when you play in your band? No? All right. Amplified sounds actually do damage the ear, and it's irreversible if you damage it to a certain extent.
Daybreak, Northwest, Doormat.
You should have your hearing tested about every year. That pretty much completes the whole battery of the hearing test for the day.
All right.